Hey everybody, it's Steve. Welcome back to Yoga Basics. Learn a yoga pose. All right, so the last pose that we did in the series was half butterfly, and then the pose that we're going to do today is wide leg seated forward fold. It's one of those, say it 5 times fast. Ready? Wide leg seated forward fold. Now, so we're going to swing our legs around, take them out in front of us. And then we're going to take both legs out. So if you remember, we took one leg out at, let's call it again, a 45-degree angle, and we kept one in. This time we're going to take both legs out. Now, depending on how tight, loose, how mobile you are, you may be able to take your feet and legs out much further. Okay, this is about where I feel comfortable going. Okay, and then it's real simple. From here, we inhale up, and then we lengthen, extend out, and then release down. Now you can come onto your hands, you can come onto your forearms, you can walk your hands out so you can get into a much deeper stretch. You can even reach out, again, if you're loose enough. I don't recommend doing this when you're really cold, but grabbing onto the big toes with the peace fingers and then gently start pulling yourself down, and then you would go into it really slow and easy. All right, so that is wide leg seated forward fold. All right. So anyway, click one side or the other for the next pose in the series. And then of course our yoga foundations, which we're currently working on, where we're going to break down the poses, talk about the muscle groups that we're working, some options, modifications that you can make within the pose itself too. All right. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Yoga Steve, and we'll see you soon.